Welcome guys to a Tech Find channel. So today we are unboxing the new speaker from JBL. It's JBL Flip 3 Fly with technology. So today we are unboxing the JBL Flip 3. So let's start it. So as you can see guys, this is a JBL Go. As you can see, I was make one video with the JBL Go, but now this time we are making the elder brother or say big brother speaker. So let's start the unboxing. As you can see guys, in the box you see the JBL Flip 3 and the branding of JBL, and package was very big. As you can see, the pricing is here is a maximum retail price is 9,990, but it's not actual real price guys. So the real price I show a link in the description if you like to buy this speaker. And the back side of the speaker, as you can see, the JBL Flip 3 portable Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth 10 over of playtime, and speaker phone splash proof. Yeah guys, speaker is splash proof, and 10 hour battery backup. JBL Flip 3, and as you can see here also mention some features, and as you can see on the last you see the splash proof sign by the JBL company. So guys, let's open this up. So guys, we are opening the whole new speaker. As you can see, the JBL Flip 3, the presentation is very good by JBL, so I love this presentation. And we are opening the Flip 3 binding of speaker. As you can see, this paperwork and documentation inside this work, and here the cable. Actually I want to see that this speaker is charging by USB or Type C. So guys, it's USB, not Type C. Said what USB. And here it's the speaker. Let's open this out. Packing is so good. So let's come. The speaker is guys in cylindrical shape, and I like the speaker shape. And as you can see, this mini version is small brother JBL Go and big brother JBL Flip 3. So guys, my quick look of speaker is very premium and very good. The condition I don't say, it's very good. And here you can say it's for the connection of Bluetooth to your mobile. So, and here is the volume, minimize the volume, and for increasing the volume, the plus sign, and the call is for the calling. And here so there is a logo of guys USB, as you can see. And here you can just opens it out. So as you guys see that if you want to charge it up, there's a USB connection, and it's close. And let's switch on the speaker. So as you can see, we are start the power button of speaker. Yes, starting sound. Oh, they show the battery indicator also. Right now the charge was full, and as you can see guys, this splash proof. And wait, let me connect to my smartphone. So guys, after the connecting my smartphone, the speaker sound is very good. It's value of money speaker, it's my god, and its price is 5,999. Right now it's available on Amazon. It has very multiple colors options. So guys, it's for only. So guys, that's it for today video. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Support our channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share this video to all your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. See you next Monday. Thank you guys. And his smaller brother. Ouch.